Hello everyone, welcome to another requested build. This one came from another viewer, and thanks to Maximiliano Deluche. Apologies if I got your name wrong there. But what was requested this time was some terrain to go with the Homeworld of the Blood Angels. So some Baal looking terrain, and I thought I'd do something a little different. What I normally don't show you guys is when I do like a concept build, like to see if something would work in a larger scale, just so I'm not wasting a lot of resources and stuff. I just thought it'd be an interesting thing to show you guys. So basically all I did was just cut out some 3x3 foam core tiles, then just using tacky glue just to add different grades of sandpaper on top of those. Then I just painted them all this bright red colour. Yeah, just let me know if you find these concept builds interesting. Like I said, it's something I normally never show. It's just something I, tend to practice on small scale. Anyway, so yes, then I dry brushed with orange, then I dry brushed with a yellow, and you'll see some of these paint marks are a little heavy, but don't worry about that. Once I add the wash, you'll see it all just comes together. And again, this is just my bootleg black wash, just painted on, then dabbed off. And once dry, it gives it a nice apocalyptic, dead looking kind of terrain. But what was also requested, well, I threw it out there, if I wanted some kind of mutated beasts to go with these. So all I did was, these are the War Games Atlantic Lizardmen torsos, and just some cheap plastic cows' heads. And there was one goat head I used for the leader, I guess. Then I made like a fur collar from green stuff. Just textured it with my wire brush. Then these are wings from How to Train Your Dragon toys, I believe. The wings were like the perfect scale, and they had a really nice texture to them. So all I did was just cut them off, then super glue them on. Then to fill in any gaps, I just used the super glue and baking soda. They turned out really good. I was really happy with these. Yeah, I even paint them on. I even record me painting them, which is something I normally don't do because I'm not a particularly good painter. But I thought, yeah, why not? Might be something interesting. Anyway, so yeah, there's the wings. And I also cut off the tails from them. And I just looked in my bits box for random left and right arms. For the most part, I believe I used orc arms, but there are some tyrannid arms in there as well. It all just came together. And for the wraps around the knees and stuff, I used pallid bone. That was a speed paint. Then for the actual skin, I used speed paint blood red. Then for the fur, again, speed paint hardened leather. Get a lot of use out of the speed paints. For the wings, I used speed paint Crusader skin. Then there was some claws and some various weaponry. For the weapons, I used lead belcher, and for the claws, I used the Citadel layer pallid witch flesh. And here they are all finished. So please do let me know in the comments what you think, if you like this build, if you thought this concept build was idea, and if you like the kit bashes. And if you would like to support the channel, all links will be down in the pinned comment and description below. So I just want to thank everyone for watching. Please do turn on all notifications and you will never miss a thing. Bye for now, folks.